Hi sir, how are you?
Hi, hi. Can you see and
Yeah, it's cleared for you also now.
yeah?
So sir, tell me how are you? What you are doing in this quarantine?
What is everybody doing? Same thing.
What creative? You are a wonderful director, so I think something creative must be done by you. तो क्या किया आपने?
Nothing. Nobody can do anything creative. I think everybody is just wondering. The kind of mind is in a comatose state. So you don't know lots of. It's one of those things that one of those times. But actually, you're very busy because there's so much work at home.
Yeah, actually, हम लोग पहले के टाइम से
Uh,
ज़्यादा busy हो गए हैं actually.
correct.
And
Correct.
it's quite scary also. तो समझ नहीं आ रहा how to deal with the situation. It's really scary. तो
It's not scary, but the fact of the matter is, it's kind of. Um, you feel we have to move on and we have to start doing things, taking
yeah,
precautions.
no
That's
other
what it is.
options left. Yeah. So I was reading about you, sir. तो मैंने पढ़ा आपके बारे में कि चेन्नई फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट वहाँ
Are
आपने
you recording? Are you record? You're recording?
रिकॉर्डिंग या
Okay. Okay. Okay.
तो मैंने पढ़ा था सर चेन्नई फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट में आपने डायरेक्शन के कोर्स के लिए ज्वाइन किया था जहाँ पर आपने पैनल्स को लाइक नहीं किया एंड यू लेफ्ट द कोर्स आई थिंक यू डिडंट जॉइन इट then after you did complete
Yeah.
the course you did 3 years for that but वो भी आपने अपने आई थिंक अटेंडेंस की वजह से छोड़ दिया तो क्यों सर ऐसी ऐसी जर्नी और फिर आपने फाइनली एडवर्ड्स में जाके एंट्री करी तो क्या था ये क्या जर्नी थी और क्यों छोड़ा आपने ये सब कुछ
No, I just think I always wanted to be. That's why I went to the film institute. But I didn't quite like. I had a very different idea of films, and I felt that films could not be studied like that. I may have been wrong totally. But then I went to the. I was always interested in computers at that point of time. So I went to. I said, okay, let me go to this engineering college, which is right opposite Pigindi Engineering College in Chennai. So I went there. I studied. I played a lot of cricket. So I really didn't want to pass out and get a graduation in computer. From Mudra happened, so that's how I joined advertising because I thought it was a way to make films. So I joined to write films at least. So I joined advertising and then I got addicted to it. Then finally,
थैंक यू दैट यू जॉइन डायरेक्शन लास्टली बिकॉज वी आर वेरी लकी इन दैट वे कि हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फिल्म देखने को मिली एंड पा इज माई मोस्ट मोस्ट फेवरेट फिल्म बिकॉज आई हैव वन स्पेशल किड एट होम तो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है वो फिल्म तो आई वॉज जस्ट अबाउट टू आस्क कि प्रोजेरिया को आपने सब्जेक्ट क्यों चुना था बिकॉज प्रोजेरिया से आपका कुछ खास वो था रिलेशन कैसे आपने उस
no, I don't have any relationship with Progeria, but I did a lot of research on it. The reason why I
ओके
chose Progeria is I wanted to do a film where Amitji played Abhishek's son.
या
So
राइट
I thought first I'll do a fantasy film. Then I said, no, I must do a realistic film. Accidentally, there was a friend of mine who told me about this ailment called progeria. Then I went to the Progeria Research Institute. Then I went to the Progeria Foundation. Actually, got a lot
ओके
of information from them. Saw a lot of videos, and I said, "Hey, this may be a nice way to kind of do it." At that point in time, there's no VFX, and we didn't have money for VFX. Couldn't shrink
Yeah.
Amit G like that, so we had to shoot him live and do it like that. So, Pa was was a wonderful experience where Progeria came in as a discovery for me. Actually, I learned so much about Progeria during making of.
So did you get any call किसी ऐसी फैमिली से जिनके घर में ऐसे हो और कुछ ऐसा
Oh,
आया
yeah, of course. And I think there were a lot of family. I think there were some families that went and met Amit Ji also. But there's one family, I think, Bihar or Jharkhand somewhere, which the kids had progeria. There were two kids actually who had, I think. And yes, they did go meet him.
एंड यू चेंज द होल सिनेरियो आफ्टर की एंड कहा मैंने भी जब उसको देखा तो मुझे ये लगा कि दिस इज द परफेक्ट फिल्म कि आप अपने हस्बैंड्स को दिखाओ या फैमिली में मेल को दिखाओ क्योंकि वो एक ईगो जो होती है वो ज़रूर ब्रेक हुई उस फिल्म के बाद वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा माइलस्टोन था लाइफ का तो आप आप उसके बारे में भी मैं आपसे कुछ जानना चाहती हूँ कि वो प्रोजेक्ट आपके माइंड में कैसे आया और कैसे रिएक्शंस मिले आपको उस फिल्म के बाद?
uh, क्या था मेरा हिंदी में ना, मेरा वो थ्रिलिंग पुलिंग बहुत कमजोर है। सो
चलिए
क्या
ऐसे
क्या वो की है, क्या खा है, मेरे को हमेशा जब भी मैं लिखता हूँ तो जो भी करेक्ट करते हैं हमेशा मेरा की एंड का गलत रहता है। तो इसलिए मैं सोचा एक दिन में की था पिक्चर की का वो दोनों सेम है, जो भी है सेम। तो इसलिए मैंने तो ऐसा शुरू किया, ऐसा थॉट से शुरू किया। देन आई सेड ओके, द फंडामेंटल थॉट की एंड का वो सिर्फ लैंग्वेज का चीज है, ये स्टिंग पुलिंग का, पर रोल वाइज एनीबडी कैन प्ले एनी रोल। इट्स अबाउट रिस्पेक्ट फॉर बोथ रोल्स, whoever plays it, that's what it is। की एंड का सब हमारा वो कंडीशनिंग में है, वो सब कभी भी हम बदल सकते हैं।
whatever subject you have chosen, whether it is चीनी कम, की एंड का, इतने डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स सर आपने सेलेक्ट किए हैं विच इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल स्टोरी एंड नॉर्मल थिंग्स। तो कैसे आता था ये दिमाग में, एंड यू आर राइटर ऑल्सो, तो किस तरीके से अपने माइंड में ये सारे रोल्स, ये सारे इमेजिनेशन क्रिएट करे फॉर योर फिल्म्स कि बिल्कुल हट के हो?
आई सेड एनी टाइम जब मैं एक पिक्चर बनाने की सोचता हूँ, तो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई थिंक इज व्हाई शुड आई मेक दिस फिल्म। आई मीन अगर वो आइडिया एक्साइटिंग ना हो, बहुत सारे आइडियाज एक्साइटिंग होते हैं, बहुत सारी पिक्चर बना सकते हैं, बहुत सारी कहानियां बहुत interesting होते हैं, पर एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है जो जो हमने अभी तक नहीं देखा है या हम अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस, काश जिंदगी ऐसा हो, वैसा कोई कॉन्सेप्ट हो सकता है, मैं वैसे ढूंढता हूँ। तो नहीं तो बहुत सारे पिक्चर देख सकते हैं, इस तरह अच्छे पिक्चर्स हैं नेटफ्लिक्स में, अमेजोन में या थिएटर में, सब इतना पिक्चर अच्छे अच्छे पिक्चर। We can keep seeing movies. Why make them unless there is something kind of something new about them into conceptually? That's how I start. जब ऐसा concept मिलता है, then I try and make it in a way that is acceptable to as many people as possible. I don't try and make the concept also in a very elitist way. I try my best to make it in a very very extreme way, in a simple way, so that people can understand with sensibility.
तो जब भी आप कोई स्टोरी लिख रही होती है तो आपका एक्टर ध्यान में होता है या पहले आप स्टोरी लिख लेते हैं फिर आपके माइंड में कैरेक्टर्स?
I try and have the actor in my mind mostly while writing a story. Yeah.
क्या ज्यादा क्लोज है, राइटिंग, डायरेक्शन, क्या आपके दिल के ज्यादा करीब है?
I've always been a writer in advertising also, so I think writing will always be my first love. Directing, yes, I've learned on the way, making so many ad films. I've been part of so many ad films. I've learned from so many wonderful
या
people all through my life. But the thing is, I love I love making movies, both writing and directing. Actually, today I actually enjoy both equally.
एनी अदर डायरेक्टर कोई ऐसे हैं जो जिनको आप फॉलो करते हैं या आप जिनको अपना आइडियल मानते हैं इन योर लाइफ?
I follow directly, but I follow film. I enjoy films. I enjoy films like this. Recently, during these times, I saw a full Bimal Roy festival. I've watched all Bimal Roy films, which I'd never watched. Do Biga Zameen, I've never watched. Madhumati, I've never watched. Devdas, I've never watched. Such beautiful, fantastic. I mean, Sujata, Bandini. I just said, what a filmmaker. How did I miss him? Again, Dilip Kumar. I had not seen a lot of his movies. I didn't understand what was this craze about Dilip Kumar. I could never understand that because I had grown up with Amitabh Bachchan. Amit always told me that Dilip Saab was one of the finest actors and it was his idol. I could never understand it. But as I saw the movies now, with especially with even Devdas and Madhumati, he's so ahead of his time. He's so subtle. He's so wonderful and so contemporary, and so nuanced. It's amazing. What an actor! What a beautiful actor, and so modern.
या इलिया राजा
So I'm
सर?
discovering a lot. I discover a lot of movies. I discover a lot of series. If there are so many filmmakers that I love. I watch almost everybody's movies. Like I recently I've been watching a lot of Malayalam films. Before I used to watch a lot of Marathi films, and I think today Fahad Fazil is doing some fantastic films in Malayalam. Dhanush, amazing films in Tamil. In Marathi, there are some every now and then a beautiful film comes up. So I think all across Telugu has mastered the art of kind of making mainstream cinema so entertaining. I don't think anybody makes commercial cinema like the people in Andhra do. They're just phenomenal. The Telugu industry has taught people how to make entertainment films really seriously. So I think yeah, um, I watch all kinds of films. People have inspired me. In fact, almost many makers have inspired me.
Even nowadays we have very wonderful contents in Bollywood and even in web series also. But अभी भी जो आज का youth है,
Recently I saw Thappad, and I really I loved it. I loved Thappad
yeah,
because I really loved what Anubhav has done
uh,
with the film. It's such a beautifully
yeah.
crafted film, and Tapsi is so wonderful in it.
Why youth is so crazy for Bollywood? Because as a director आप क्या देखते हैं कि technically are we weak? I don't think so. But जो हमारे youth है, जो हमारी generation है, उसको Hollywood films के लिए ज़्यादा रुझान है, attraction है. So what is the reason behind this? What do you think?
Not necessarily. Not necessarily. A lot of people still watch a lot of Bollywood films. Everybody is watching Bollywood films. Of course, if you get an Avengers or something, I'm sure everybody is watching that too. It's not actually the regular Hollywood films are working as well as the regular Bollywood films. No, they're not. I think people love our Hindi cinema, our Indian cinema, depending on the region we are in, whatever language cinema. We love our cinema. So I don't think we've gone, except for those blockbuster films. I don't think Hollywood films have really kind of made that kind of a mark.
You have done two films with Amit sir. So how is your chemistry with him? How is he as a person, as a human being?
With Amitji, I mean, Amitji is who is not a fan of Amitji. So it's my privilege and my luck, fortune to kind of to have been able to think of two ideas that he has accepted to do. So I would love to kind of be thinking ideas for him. I've been very fortunate to have worked with him. I've also been very fortunate to work with the other actors that I work, like Akshay. I think I should do Padman with him, and
Yeah,
Arjun with
yeah.
Kiyanka. And the actors, I mean, the actors are also women. I mean, Tabu, Vidya, Karina, all these have been very special. Sonam, and Radhika. And all. I mean, it's been a dream kind of thing to work with great actors. But like Milos Forman always said, you get the casting right, most of your direction is done.
कोई और जॉनर है जिस पे आप वर्क करना चाहते हैं बिकॉज यू हैव डन वंडरफुल फिल्म्स कुछ और ऐसा जॉनर दैट यू लव टू डू और उसके ऊपर कुछ काम करना चाहते हैं
My next film will be quite different from what I did so far. So I think I'm looking forward to it. I want to speak about it, so but I will soon.
आई अंडरस्टैंड तो लॉकडाउन से पहले कोई प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा था जो बीच में बंद हो गया या
Project नहीं चल रहा था. I was waiting. No project had started.
ओके तो क्या प्लान है आफ्टर लॉकडाउन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग यही जो आप कह रहे हैं
I just want to get back to starting work. I mean, I want to start shooting my film. That's what I want to do. I want to start the production process. Everybody wants to start, so I'm just nothing to.
What kind of music you like? Because as we read, आपको इलियाराजा सर बहुत पसंद है, आप बहुत करीब हैं, वो आपके दिल के तो. What quality you have seen?
Of course, I just because the melodies of Ilayaraja are the most beautiful, lasting, haunting, simple melodies which have changed, which have almost become the music of a complete region in the country. Very few music has taken over if you take Ilayaraja's music, it's almost like the background music of the South. But I also love Amit Trivedi, what he's doing, the work that Amit Trivedi. Again, a very contemporary musician with a great sense of melody and great sense of cinema, because I don't think film music is just about making songs. It's also a background score. The most important part of the music is the background score, not so much the songs. And I think where Amit Trivedi really scores is he really, like Ilayaraja, also is one of just background film composers, composes music for a film in terms of background. That is I think very special.
What is the most difficult part डायरेक्टर के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल क्या होता है?
I think it's about actually start work. Just the planning, the meeting of a lot of people, the meetings, the narration, just the before you begin, from the time you kind of write to the time you begin, that's the time really excruciatingly long, because if you meet so many people, you have to tell so many people, you have to narrate to so many people, that you have to do it, but that's the most laborious process.
तो अभी आप एक रीज़न मुझे बताइए सर, साईफाई में और एडवेंचरस फिल्म्स हो गई, हॉरर फिल्म्स हो गई, हम लोग कहीं लैक करते हैं ऐसा आपको लगता है? बिकॉज वी हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ फिल्म, बट जहाँ पर अगर कंपैरिजन, अगेन आई एम सेइंग द सेम थिंग कि हॉलीवुड से अगर हम कंपेयर करें, साईफाई हो गया, सुपर हीरो हो गया, इस तरह की फिल्मों में हम क्यों नहीं वो एफर्ट देख पा रहे हैं जो कि हमने बाहर की फिल्मों में देखा? वेयर वी आर लैकिंग इन दीज काइंड ऑफ अ जॉनर?
No, we also, we have a economics problem. Our films, when you take a Hollywood film, they've got a global market. We don't have a global market. We keep saying, yes, our films travel, but it's travel still to the Indian diaspora right across. So we still don't have a global market. Our economics are limited. Our recovery is limited. So our budgets are also limited. I mean, so therefore we can only do that much. We can't do but it will all happen, because the more technology becomes cheaper, the more your audience grows, the more people are kind of like, say, for example, Korean cinema. Now it's become truly global. Some of really has become as big as Hollywood. That's because of one or two films, one or two directors who have actually taken it worldwide. So the same thing will happen for India. It's a matter of time, but it'll happen.
डायरेक्शन और राइटिंग के अलावा और क्या है पैशन आपका, और कुछ ऐसा हिडन टैलेंट जो आपने इस लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे अपने अंदर देखा? क्योंकि
नहीं, कुछ नहीं. I can the same. I just think we're all struggling to cook. We're all struggling to clean. I really wish, one more thing I really wish we'd start with cricket, because I think sport is one of the most important things for us.
I was
even more important.
Yeah.
Even more important than entertainment is sport. I think without sport there is no life. I just feel that if anything begins, I don't mind us not starting work, but I think cricket should begin.
क्रिकेट में कभी करियर बनाने का नहीं सोचा, बिकॉज आपने काफी क्रिकेट खेला है?
No, I wanted to become a commentator at some point in time, but then films.
ओके सर, हमारे फ्रेंड्स ने बहुत सारी विशेष भेजी हैं, और उनके लिए कोई अच्छा?
Thank you so much.
चलते
just kind of what shall I say? What can I say? That I just wish them all the best. I just wish them all the dreams, and let's just be a little positive, and let's not be kind of down, feel hopeless. I think it's a temporary phase that we're going through, and I think it'll all look up very soon.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.